Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Manoj watching your tech and coding channel, MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video, we are going to learn and watch how to create the CRUD functionality application using Spring Boot and MongoDB. So guys, in this video, we are going to integrate MongoDB with Spring Boot applications. So let's get started. Actually, previously I already created application and already created video on how to create CRUD application using Spring Boot as well as MySQL. Now this video is especially for you. I got comment that I need a MongoDB plus Spring Boot video, so I'm just creating this for you guys. So let's get started. So first thing is I need to create a Spring Slicer application from here. Okay, so as I already selected Maven and Java, and after this let's quickly just create this just normally. Okay, so I will select Java 22 and we need to add a dependency. So important thing is here, dependencies, we are going to Spring Data Web first. Okay, Spring Web, and then we are going to add MongoDB. So we have Spring Data MongoDB like Spring Data API, we have MongoDB, and I will use dev tool, Spring Boot dev tool, so for refresh and restart. Okay, so everything is correct. If you want to explore and see these things, you can directly click on explore and check the dependency here, and I will just click on download. Okay, so it will download in download. Okay, so let's open the first thing. The prerequisite for this video is you need to install MongoDB if you haven't installed in your system. So please check out this video. I will add this video in the description of this video. You can check out from there and install MongoDB in your system. So I will just go through this Eclipse workspace. So you can open Eclipse in your system, either IntelliJ or Eclipse. If you don't have Eclipse and how you want to know how to install Eclipse, you can check out this video. I will place the link in the description. You can check out. So first thing is we are going to open the project from the download directory. Okay, so I clicked on directory downloads. Okay, so nothing is matching here. Okay, so it should be a directory, sorry, it should be archive, because it will come in this one. If you see here downloads, click on this one and just import the folder as a project. Okay, once we are done, we will get our project here inside this. It will take little time to build the things. Okay, so once the Maven is built done, and now we are going to directly jump into the okay, so first thing you have to open the MongoDB. Okay, so if you see here MongoDB Compass, I already installed in my system, and I already shown you how to install MongoDB Compass in Windows 10. You can check out this video. So I'm just connected with localhost and it's running on 270117 port number. So now I need to create a database here first. So create a database. I will create a database book store. Okay, so I will put a collection name as a book. Let's create a database. So this will be created here, and now let's directly jump into this application.properties and the MongoDB configuration here and the port, server port. Okay, so let's write the server.port. It should be running on 8. Okay, so it should be running on 8989. Okay, so next thing is we have to put the MongoDB configuration, MongoDB config. Okay, so spring dot data dot MongoDB dot port. First we have to mention the host. Okay, so the host is localhost, localhost, and the spring dot data dot MongoDB dot port, and the port is running to 7017, and spring dot data dot MongoDB, it should be MongoDB dot database to book store. Okay, so 3 things we have to mention here, and let's save this. And now our application property is ready now. So what we are going to do is we are going to create the folder, and I just don't want to create the folder. I can simply write the files here. You can create, but it's a very it's a very good practice that if you create the folder structure. So let's go with the folder structure. So I will create the package here first. Controller. Okay, another package I will create is service. Another package I will create service, and after the repository, repo sitory repository. The things is service repository. Okay, and model. correct. Another one is model dot model. Okay. So for package we need here, and we are going to create the one by one. So let's create the class first, and the class should be something book. Okay, so we are going to get the class as a book, and I will annotate this as a document. Okay, collection goes to book. And what we are doing, we are in MySQL, we are manipulating this class as a entity, so it will create as a table, and in MongoDB also we are going to make this as a document. Okay, so document, and which document, which collection? It's a book collection. Okay, right? So we are going to add the data in book collection, because we have created already a, if you see here, we have created this book as a collection, and it's going to insert inside this. Okay, so let's create the field of this. So private int id, private string book name, private string author name. Okay, correct. So we are going to create the getter and setter method for this. Let's click right click here, create generate and getter setter method, select all, and we are going to create a constructor using fields and default constructor also. You can use Lombok also here, but if you don't use Lombok, you can actually create these things manually here. Okay, so we are going to import this document. If you hover it, then you will import this from MongoDB mapping, core mapping, and then import this ID. Okay, so this class part is done, or model part is done. Now let's move to controller part and service part and repository part. Okay, so let's go with the repository part. I will actually create a repository here. That should be an interface. Okay, so book repository, and we are going to extend this Mongo repository. Okay, extend Mongo repo SITORY, and here we are going to mention same as a MySQL wala, same thing. So we are going to mention the book and integer, the ID part. So import this book. We are going to import this book on the model. Okay, let's import this Mongo first, Mongo repository, and then we are going to import this book. Okay, so if you see here, now it's started showing from model. Now our repository part is ready. Now we are going to move with the third part, is that is controller part, and then we'll write the, or we'll write the service part, and then we'll write the controller part. Okay, so directly implement the service part. So let's create the service, and then I will create this book service. Okay, so book service is ready. Now we are going to integrate this as a service, and then we are going to auto wire the repository. Okay, auto wire what? Private, or directly let's write here private book repo repository repo. Okay, so let's import these things, and then using this we are going to write the methods. Okay, we will import these things. Now what we are going to do is public book add book b. Okay, and this will return as a string. Directly let's just return as a string. So what we are going to do is we are going to deal with repo dot save, and we are going to put as a b. This will save the book inside the collection. Okay, so now we are going to return this. Okay, correct. So let's import this book first. It should be from here. It should be public void public. Okay, so it should be okay, right? So it should be a non-written. We are backly we are going to return there. Okay. So now it's for hiding the book. Let's copy paste this here and okay. So find all find all books. This will return me as a list of book. Okay. So this will return me as a list